Hi everyone, Imran here with another tutorial on how to update Samsung Galaxy A32 to the latest version. The method is really easy. First of all, you need to go to settings, about phone, and look for software update at the bottom. Now down now tap on the now tap on the download and install the update. I will tap on download. Now it will download the update and install it on your phone. Most of the time your software is up to date, and once Samsung releases the update you will get a notification that update is available for your phone, and even you can enable this option auto download or Wi-Fi whenever the update is available, so it will automatically download the update, and then you can later schedule the installation. Right now it is downloading. The file is around 1 GB, so it will take a few minutes. As you can see, at this point I will pause the video. If for some reason your device is not getting OTA updates, then I would recommend you to watch our video where I have shown how to download and install update on Samsung Galaxy A32 using Odin. The link will be given in the description. Phones running custom ROM or different CAC firmwares usually do not get over the air updates. That's why your phone might not be getting the latest updates from settings. For that reason, you need to use Odin to update your phone. Now the download is almost completed. Just waiting. Now update is ready to install. Now you can schedule, or if you want to install now, I will install now. And now during this time your phone will reboot, so make sure you have enough charge on your phone. Producing these tutorials takes a lot of efforts and time. For encouragement, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Almost finished. It is now optimize the apps and can take up to 5 minutes, so again we have to wait. Now the update is finished. As you can see, your phone is now up to date. You can check your Android. Now it is
what we have done just now, then you can watch our next video. The link is given in the description to download the firmware and then update it using Odin. So I will link that video in the description. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.